The Razer Blade 15 is a demon in the skin of an angel. It outperforms its contemporaries with its sleek design, superior performance, and most of all, its built. The 10th Gen Core i7 processor from Intel sorts out processes into multiple channels for smoother operations. With a clocking power of 5 GHz with its turbo and 6 cores, you're bound to experience gaming like never before on a laptop. But the real deal under the hook is its separate NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660, which is an older version than the laptop I reviewed above. However, it delivers its share of promise by running well-known AAA titles at max settings. I'm talking about Battlefield 5 in 80 frames per second, The Witcher 3 in 70 frames per second, and so on in 1080p. Yes, the more you go up, the FPS drop. For example, in the same 1080p, if you play Warhammer 2, you'd get a mere 50 frames per second, which is not bad but not great as well. The Red Dead Redemption 2 will play at 30 frames per second, and that reduces to 27 frames per second when you jack the resolution up to 1440p. At 4K, it reduces further down to 19 frames per second. So, overall, the performance of the graphics card is commendable only if you'd like to play heavy titles in 4K, all the while compromising on the FPS. Which you won't, I know. It's better to stick at 1080p. Even its 16 GB RAM and 256 GB SSD do not help in that case. It's safe to say that the laptop is for medium titles run on high. Furthermore, what I like about this one is its design. It is subtle, sleek, and almost as if it's a general simple laptop. You can pretty much carry it to your office and no one would know about it. The aluminum case does more than look good. It dissipates heat efficiently, thus giving you a cooler chassis than ever. I experienced nothing wrong with the keyboard, touchpad, or 120Hz screen. My only grievance has been its poor audio quality plus the fact that I can't use it on my lap because of its heat.